Hi guys, it's Becky at Babes in Hairland. We're back today with a beautiful half-up hairstyle. My husband was the scout back in his day and said that these are daisy chain knots. So this is a half-up daisy chain hairstyle. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And for those of you who return every week to see our videos, we love you and appreciate you and hope that if you haven't subscribed, you will do so now. For starters today, we're going to go on the left side of her head, and you're going to just be taking a section of hair here along the face and by the left ear. You'll draw that back, and you don't want to use a ton of hair here because you're going to be doing this multiple times around the head. So take this section of hair and I'm going to wrap it around my 3 fingers on my left hand. Then with my right hand, I'm going to pull that through so you're like making a knot, but don't pull all the way through. Then you're going to grab through the center of that and pull the tail again, so it's making another loop. But be really careful not to pull this all the way through. Those tails need to get hidden up underneath or behind the knot that you've just created, or this daisy chain. So once you've done that, you're going to be securing the knot to the head with some bobby pins. And the hope is to be able to pin this so you really can't see the bobby pins. You'll go back and adjust these a little bit at the end, so those can be hidden if you do see them. But you just want this to look like it's all one daisy chain knot. It kind of looks like a braid. It looks really pretty in the end, so you want it to flow nicely together and not see any of the bobby pins or the tails from these. Okay, so that's what it looks like with just one done, and you could totally leave it like that. But we're going to do it all the way around her head. So over here on the right side, you're going to do the exact same thing, taking a small section of hair and passing it through like I'm showing. Again, that tail needs to just get tucked up behind, up above her ear there in the hair that's pulled back. And bobby pins and hairpins are great to just tack that up so it doesn't fall down. So once you've got that secured, you're going to do this another time here back on the left side. And depending on the size of head you're working on, you may only have to do 3 of these. My kids have big noggins, so we did 4 for this. But again, you're just doing that same pattern where you're basically kind of making 3 loops with the hair, and you're going to want to overlap that there on the left and tuck that tail up underneath the knots and add more bobby pins. So you'll repeat this one more time. Just make sure you blend it all together so you can't see where it starts and stops, and secure it with the bobby pins. So just go back and adjust things and pull on things until it looks like you want. That's all there is to this beautiful daisy chain half-up hairstyle. You totally curl the remaining hair down and back. This is beautiful for a formal dance or any special occasion you've got. So please comment, let us know what you think. Tag us on Instagram at Babes in Hairland blog if you'd recreate this one. And here's a few more pictures of the finished product. Thanks so much guys for watching and for coming back each week. Again, if you haven't, please click that subscribe button. We'd love to see you back here each week. Thanks, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.